Hello, welcome back to Miss Casella's classroom on YouTube. This is part 2 of part 4. So, in terms of greater than or less than, I feel students' pain because I struggled with greater than, less than, and I know there's a lot of grade 7 students who are struggling with it too. And all you have to remember is the alligator mouth wants to eat the bigger number, the bigger meal. So it's always going to be open to the bigger meal. It doesn't matter if it's facing this way. It doesn't matter if it's facing this way. And if the numbers are equal to each other, you just put an equal sign. That's all you have to remember. So let me expose you to some examples. If I have a 2 on this side and a 2 on this side, and my teacher wants to know which one is greater than or less than, my teacher just asked me a trick question because 2 and 2 are equal to each other. If I have the number 6 on this side and the number 7 on this side, my teacher wants to know which one is less than. Well, the alligator mouth needs to eat the bigger number. So 7 is bigger than 6, so it's going to look like that. If my teacher wants to know which one is greater than, again, 7 is bigger than 6, so the alligator's mouth is going to open up this way. Essentially, it doesn't matter if my teacher's asking me greater than or less than, because all I have to do is make sure the alligator's mouth is opened up, opened up to the bigger number. And of course, if the numbers are equal to each other, I use the equal sign. I know you know, especially in grade 7, that 7 is bigger than 6. I know you know that. And I know you're frustrated because you know that. You know that. So just remember this technique. Let me walk you through a few more. One of the most frustrating things for me about being a teacher and a learner are little mix-ups like this. So if I have 0, 3, and 3, and my teacher wants to know which one is greater, well, if you've been watching Miss Casella's classroom on YouTube, you would know that when you see a 0 in front of the whole number, it's like it's not even there. 3 and 3 are equal to each other. My teacher gives me something like this: 6, 0 and 0, 0, 6. Which one is less than? Again, it doesn't matter if my teacher is asking me for less than or greater than or equal to, because I know that whatever number is bigger, the alligator mouth is going to be open eating the bigger number, the bigger meal. So 6, 0, that's 60. 0, 0, 6. Oh, those zeros aren't even there. So really, it's 60 versus 6. 60 is the bigger number. My alligator mouth is going to open up that way. If I have the number 8901, and over on this side I have 8888, which one is smaller than the other? Again, it doesn't really matter what the question is, because the alligator's mouth is always going to be opened up nice and wide, pointing to the bigger number. So I've got an 8 on this side, I've got an 8 on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4 digits on this side, 1, 2, 3, 4 digits on this side. The first numbers, the first digit, they're the same, 8, So I just move on to the next digit. This one's a 9 and this one's an 8. Well, 8 is smaller than 9. So this is my smaller number and this is my bigger number. I'll do one more example with large numbers. I know when the numbers get bigger, they can be scarier or perhaps they can be motivating for you. If I have 98301 and on this side I have 98302, well, immediately you might notice these are the same, 9830, and then it's just a matter of 1 and 2. If you didn't notice that, same strategy. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits, 9 and 9 are the same, 8 and 8 are the same, 3 and 3 are the same, 0 and 0 are the same. Aha, 1 and 2 are not the same. 1 is a smaller number, 2 is a bigger number. So, which way is my alligator mouth going to be facing? It's going to be opened up this way here. If I have the number 993 and on this side I have 2146, you need to make sure you count your digits. 1, 2, 3 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. Immediately I know 4 digits, that's a bigger number than 3 digits. My alligator mouth is going to go like this. So you can't always just look at the first number and determine, well, 9's bigger than 2. Well, yeah, 9 is bigger than 2, but this is 993. This is 2146. I hope that helped you in terms of getting a bit more practice with greater than and less than, remembering the 0, and working with big numbers. I hope you tune in to part 3 and part 4.